What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing? This is Smooth Productions. As it stands, summer is almost over. So that means I'm not gonna be all over Facebook. I'm not gonna be all over Instagram. I'm not gonna be all over TikTok. I'm not gonna be all over YouTube, except looking at things that I might need, reviews and stuff like that. With that said, I will say this. On Facebook, I will start deleting, or shall I say unfriending, a lot of people. I will be taking myself out of a lot of groups that I am not active in, and it's just there. And trust me, all these friends of friends that I accepted, a lot of them are nothing but scammers. So if I actually know you or I met you face to face, it's a possibility I will keep you as a friend. But friends of friends, they usually say, hey, I'll send you some Cash App money. Hey, you want to be my sugar daddy? I'll be your sugar mama. Hey, let me send you this. Hey, why don't you purchase this? Why don't you purchase that? Why don't you be an ambassador or something like that? Would you like to try Bitcoin trading, Forex trading? Oh, my company wants to give away money. How about if I give you $2,000, but you have to pay a processing fee? What's your Cash App? That's a scam. Oh, have you heard from the good news? You get this, you can get that, you can get this. Have you heard the good news? That's a scam. So, people that post very unpleasurable posts that's very obscene and raunchy, them twerk videos gotta stop. If you're not modeling for a clothing brand, stop posting them dirty looking photos. And all that lick this and suck that and SND and all that talk, that's crazy. What y'all fail to understand is everything that y'all put up there, the kids is following. The kids feel that that's popping. If y'all adults and y'all talking about the same stuff that the kids talk about, that means you did not enjoy your teenage years. That means you want to be a teenager again. But you're a parent. You're a grandparent. It's okay to think about when you were younger a little bit, but you were supposed to evolve as an adult, as a mature adult. I'm not going, let me see, I got my kids. I'm not going out there to party with my children. I might go to my granddaughter's. If she gets an award or something like that, I'll go to something like that, take a couple of pictures, take a little video, memory for myself. But I'm not going to party with my granddaughter or her friends, because I'm an adult. I'm a grandparent. I'm not going to sit there and party with a 16-year-old. The only thing I can do with a 16-year-old is tell him or her the fundamentals of sports. Tell them to stay in school, get their education, stay away from drugs and alcohol and stay away from the street life. That's all I can tell them. Because I wouldn't tell them wrong. I would only tell them to do the right thing. Listen to your parents, respect your parents. They may be a pain in the neck and all that, but trust me, they were you way back. A lot of parents had a rough time navigating the street, navigating education, and navigating the business life and trying to run a family, build a family. So when they tell you certain things, they like, no, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. See, this generation, y'all been spoiled. People just hand you stuff. You don't want to work for it. You just feel that you're entitled to it. Back when I was younger, we didn't get no $300 Jordans. We didn't get no $1,500 laptop. We didn't get no iPad. We didn't get no iPhone 13 or Samsung Galaxy S23 and stuff like that. We didn't get no $300 book bag or $80 or $150 shirt and $80 socks and stuff like that. A lot of times we got the hand-me-downs from our older brothers and sisters, and we got the Pro-Keds and the Converse sneakers, and then the Adidas came out. We luckily got some of those. We got enough. When school started, we just got 5 outfits. Lasts us the full year. We got a gym outfit, and every quarter we will get notebooks, pencils, crayons, and loose leaf paper. We wasn't too much on the internet all day, 24 hours a day. We wasn't doing that. We was in our books, we was studying, we was trying to learn. We wasn't out there trying to learn how to get high or get drunk. That was bad. That was grown people stuff. You grown, you can do that. But if you ain't grown, you ain't supposed to be doing that stuff. This generation, a lot of this generation's lost, because a lot of these young folks here is having babies on babies on babies. They ain't taught how to have safe sex. They taught to have sex, and next you know, all these young girls has popped up with these babies. And then who gonna take care of them? The fathers ain't gonna take care of the fathers. All they want to do is run the street. So now you got a young lady that has to stop her education to become a mama. And then what happens? She hooks up with the next idiot or whatever, and he might be abuser. He might be a manipulator. He might be a narcissist. He might be a fool that likes to beat on women and stuff like that. Cycle repeats itself. So, young fellas, get y'all education. Young ladies, get y'all education. Ain't nothing cool about running around here trying to run around, hang out in the clubs and hang out in parties and all that stuff. Get your education so you don't have to rely on nobody. I don't care what people think. People may say, I can't stand that guy. He always talk about doing the right thing. Hey, I got a granddaughter out there. I'm about to have a grandson. I don't want them to go through what I went through as a child. It's a lot. We all lead. We gotta lead by example. We lead the examples of sitting up there, hey, let's get high, let's go twerk and all that stuff like that, Then the next generation says, hey, that's what we're supposed to be doing. That's what we're gonna be doing. That's how we're gonna live. No, you don't live that way. You get your education. When you grown, then you think about what you want to do and how you want to do it. But get the basic education together so you don't really have to rely on anybody when you hit a certain age, like 18, 17 or whatever, you have your mindset right, you have your goals and your values, and you have your respect, you have your personal religious belief or non-religious belief, you have your head on your shoulders, and all the doors to the rest of the world is open, and you have all your options. Don't settle down for falling for foolishness. I'm just saying. Smooth One Productions, and I'm out.